Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And me, Roy.
We may sound a little different. That's because we're not able to record in our normal studios during the coronavirus outbreak. Roy, I saw the photo you sent to the text group this morning. I didn't know you had a fancy sports car, a mansion, and a swimming pool. Roy, you need to stop flexing.
What do you mean, flexing? I'm not exercising my muscles at all right now.
Not flexing your muscles, Roy. You're showing off. This is our word for this program, flexing, which means to show off.
I'm not showing off. I just want everyone to be aware of my amazing lifestyle. I'm thinking about getting some dolphins to go in my pool.
Roy, now you're just inventing things. I don't think you have a mansion, a swimming pool, or a fancy sports car. Not only do I think you're flexing, but you're totally exaggerating just to impress people.
Are you impressed?
No, not at all. Anyway, let's listen to these examples.
He's always flexing on social media, showing these glamorous pictures of his holidays. People who flex are so annoying. It's just showing off. She can't stop flexing about her new house, but it's actually not that nice.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the word flexing, which means showing off. When you're showing off about something strange or tacky, some people say, weird flex, but okay.
Well, I'm sorry if you think I was showing off. I just want people to think I'm cool. That's all.
You don't need to flex for people to like you. Everyone already does think you're cool. It's because you're an amazing person, like me. But talking about amazing things, have you seen my new phone?
Weird flex, but okay.
What? I didn't flex. Plus, why is it weird?
Well, it's not a cool phone. I've never even heard of the brand, and the colours look like someone vomited rainbows.
Well, I like it. Wait, what are those car keys on your desk? Do you really have a sports car?
Of course I do. And a mansion and a pool. The only reason I shared that photo was because I wanted to invite people to my house party.
Really? Can I come to the party?
Sure, as long as you don't flex about that horrible phone.
Okay, I won't talk about my amazing phone. Bye, Roy.
Bye.